forget to turn on notifications.
Elephants are the largest existing land animals and are known for their intelligence and strong family bonds. They use their trunks for a variety of tasks, including drinking, communicating, and picking up objects. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes and are known for their strength and intelligence. They live in family groups led by a dominant male called a silverback. They are fascinating to observe due to their social interactions and problem-solving abilities. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. They are native to Africa and are known for their long necks and legs. They are herbivores, which means they primarily eat plants. Sadly, they are now on the threatened species list, so we need to work hard to protect them. Thank you for watching Future Zoo TV. Subscribe, like and vote for your favorite wild zoo animal in the comments below.